During my O&G posting, I find out that many ladies do come to the clinic to complain of infections. And I feel so bad because it causes them inconveniences. They spend money to get themselves back to normal, okay? I went into research and I find out some of the mistakes they do make that are likely to be responsible for the recurrent infection they do have. But one reason why these ladies do have infection all the time is called self-inoculation. Self-inoculation is otherwise referred as self-infection. So how do this self-infection comes about? Yes, on daily basis we put our hands on the table, we do domestic work, we do office work, we touch our skins. Okay, of course, on our skin we have a bacteria on our skin called a skin flora, and it is called Staphylococcus epidermidis, okay, otherwise known as Staphylococcus ambus. Okay, having done all this thing, having touched all these dirty surfaces, majority of time these ladies fails to wash their hands. And when they get home, okay, in one or two ways, they will use the same hand to touch the private parts. And that alone has introduced a trailer load of infection into the private part. And in no distant time, they will come down with vaginal infection. That is the first reason why they do have recurrent infection, especially the ladies. The second reason why they do have recurrent vaginal infection is most girls nowadays, I don't know who taught them that, who they learned it from, they do use tissue paper as a menstruation pad, and some do go as far as introducing it deep into the private part. Okay, that alone can also increase your chances of having an infection. Some ladies out there abuses antibiotics. They take antibiotics the way they like, and these antibiotics will kill the normal floras of the private part. And when the normal floras are killed, other pathogenic organisms will overgrow and cause infection for them. It therefore means that excessive use of antibiotics, okay, or abuse of antibiotics can cause infection of female private part. Another reason why these ladies do have recurrent infection or infection of the private part is excessive douching. Okay, excessive douching and excessive use of antiseptic soap to wash the private part. Okay, this also will reduce the normal flora of the private part, which will give room for pathological organisms to grow, and this will subsequently lead to a vaginal infection. Finally, take it or leave it, multiple sexual partners can also lead to an infection. If you can avoid all these things I have enumerated to a larger extent, you will reduce the chances of having an infection. Thank you very much. I wish you good health. Bye.